Natural light has a powerful effect on how a home feels. Bright rooms feel more open, welcoming, and comfortable, while darker spaces can seem closed off or smaller than they really are. For homeowners in Mandeville looking to enhance interior brightness without major renovations, Picture Windows offer an effective and elegant solution. Their expansive glass design allows sunlight to flow freely into the home, transforming everyday living spaces. Maximizing daylight with large glass panels. Picture windows are fixed windows designed with wide, uninterrupted glass panels. Because they don't include opening sashes or hardware, they allow more glass area than many operable window styles. In Mandeville homes, this larger glass surface helps capture more daylight throughout the day. Sunlight reaches deeper into the room, reducing shadows and creating a naturally brighter environment. Bringing light into central living areas. Interior spaces such as living rooms, dining areas, and family rooms often benefit the most from picture windows. These rooms are used frequently and feel more comfortable when well lit. For Mandeville homeowners, installing picture windows in shared living areas enhances daily routines. Brighter interiors make these spaces feel more inviting for relaxing, entertaining, or spending time with family. Enhancing light without compromising wall space. Some homeowners worry that adding larger windows may limit wall space or disrupt room layouts. Picture windows offer a clean, streamlined solution that integrates easily into many designs. In Mandeville homes, picture windows can be placed strategically to enhance light without overwhelming the room. Their simple profile blends into the wall while still delivering significant brightness. Creating a sense of openness. Light plays a key role in how spacious a room feels. Picture windows visually extend the room outward, making interiors feel larger and more open. Mandeville homeowners often notice that rooms with picture windows feel less confined. Even smaller spaces benefit from the openness created by expansive glass and natural light. Softening light for comfortable living. While picture windows bring in abundant light, modern designs also help distribute it evenly. This reduces harsh glare and creates a soft, balanced glow throughout the space. In Mandeville homes, this gentle light enhances comfort while maintaining visibility. Rooms remain bright without feeling overwhelming or uncomfortable during peak daylight hours. Highlighting interior design and decor. Natural light enhances colors, textures, and finishes inside the home. Picture windows allow daylight to highlight decor and architectural features naturally. For Mandeville homeowners, this means interior spaces look more vibrant and welcoming. Furniture, artwork, and finishes appear more true to color and visually appealing. Reducing the need for artificial lighting. With more daylight available, homeowners can rely less on artificial lighting during the day. This creates a more pleasant indoor atmosphere and simplifies daily living. In Mandeville homes, picture windows help maintain brightness from morning through afternoon, reducing the need to turn on lights until later in the day. Improving mood and daily comfort. Bright interiors often feel more uplifting and enjoyable. Natural light contributes to a positive living environment and supports overall comfort. Mandeville homeowners frequently report that rooms with picture windows feel more cheerful and relaxing, enhancing the overall experience of being at home. A thoughtful upgrade for brighter living. Picture windows offer a simple yet impactful way to brighten interior spaces. Their expansive glass design enhances daylight, openness, and visual comfort without complicated operation. For homeowners in Mandeville, picture windows are a smart investment in brighter, more enjoyable living spaces, bringing natural light into the home and transforming everyday environments with ease.